In this video, I review the Appy website builder, sharing my own experience using it. Find links to Appy and related resources in the description below. Appy is a versatile, no-code platform perfect for small businesses, freelancers, and individuals seeking a quick and affordable website. Known for its simplicity and mobile-first approach, Appy makes website building accessible to everyone, regardless of technical skill. Its standout drag-and-drop editor lets you customize layouts, add text, images, and multimedia to create a responsive website in minutes. Appy offers clean, professional, pre-designed templates for various industries, like restaurants, fitness, and consulting. These templates are fully responsive, ensuring your website looks great on any device. Appy prioritizes mobile optimization, ideal for capturing today's mobile-first audience. Seamlessly integrate mobile apps and progressive web apps, PWAs, easily connecting your website to custom apps. This is especially useful for startups and small businesses needing cross-platform functionality. Appy provides essential business tools, contact forms, appointment scheduling, and payment gateway integration for simple e-commerce. While its e-commerce features aren't as advanced as platforms like Shopify, they're perfect for small online stores or service-based businesses. Appy also includes SEO tools to optimize your website's search engine visibility. A significant advantage is Appy's affordability and flexible plans. However, its simplicity may limit users seeking advanced customization or intricate designs. It's best suited for straightforward websites, not highly complex projects. Appy is a fantastic option prioritizing simplicity, speed, and mobile-friendly design. It's especially beneficial for small businesses and individuals seeking an easy, affordable online presence. Check the links below to learn more and explore Appy yourself. This review should help you decide if Appy meets your website building needs.